Everything you're going through is preparing you for what you ask God for. You just got to quit tripping while you're in the process, because the process is necessary. You may not see it now, but when he gets you on the other side of it, you're going to see exactly why it went that way.
I'm starting a new vlog today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm getting these chocolate covered strawberry pancakes. I'm planning for us to get my hair done. We're gonna see, so I'm gonna check in with y'all in a second. All right, y'all, my food just got here. I'm gonna pray. I just added chocolate syrup, strawberries on there. Look fire, yeah.
Hey, I was just calling to say that it had nothing to do with you. You didn't change. It was me. I changed.
Baby, are you down? Are you down? Gotta let me know right now. Why you tryna ride with me? Why you tryna ride with me? Baby, are you down? Are you down? Gotta let me know right now. Are you tryna ride? Are you tryna ride? Are you tryna ride with me?
I wasn't gonna vlog today. I was on the fence. Adversity at times makes me want to keep going. It makes me want to do it even more. So I was like, I could have just said, you know what, forget it. I'm just not meant to be vlogging. I'm just over it. I'm done. But I said, you know what, I'm still going to pick up the camera today. I honestly have the perfect reason to, because y'all know that my mom said that we were supposed to go to Ulta together. I just got the text from my mom and my sister saying that they were on the way to get me. I want to get what I need from Ulta. I might just show y'all what I got when I get back. I know my hair is giving a bit crazy today, but this is just what it is. This is what it goes. So this is what it is. This is what you get. You feel me? So it's doing the job though. If y'all missed my live where I actually got this install styled, then make sure you go check that out. I'll try to go ahead and add that video to my hair appointment playlist. If that's some content that you're interested in and that you like, then make sure you definitely go check out my hair appointment playlist. I need to change, put on some clothes. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all pretty soon. So we're done shopping and we're in Jason's. I have a salmon sandwich. We actually all have a salmon sandwich. Or triplets. They give you a good like sauce for your fruit. Alright y'all, your girl is back home finally. It's not that much later. Like I told y'all, we went to Ulta. Since I did not vlog inside of Ulta, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got. Let me go get the bag. So everything that I have in here, except for one item, is something new that I'm trying. I'm gonna go ahead and dig into what's first. And I know this wall looks kind of blank, but I promise y'all we just a little bit lower than the stuff I have on my wall. We're in my office. If you're new here and you don't know where we are. Alright, this first item that I have used this brand before, but this is my first time trying this variation. This is a body wash. This is the Perfecta. Previously, for these last few months, I've been using the Glow Getter by Nature, and that's been pretty good. Honestly, been kind of nervous. They do have a lot of like active ingredients and acids. Just trying to like kind of ease my way in. Stay tuned for potential updates on this. Next up, new product. I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with this and this brand. I brought their hair honey. It has like vitamin C and it cleanses and removes makeup and gives you a nice glow. I got this because I actually ran out of makeup wipes and I didn't see any that I wanted that were in the price point that I'm willing to pay for some makeup wipes. I went ahead and just got a micellar cleansing water because I've been wanting to try it. Hopefully my skin reacts well to it and it actually works, especially today because I have on mascara. Makeup wipes and cleansing water just come in handy for not only when you have a no falsie day and wear mascara, but also just cleaning your face. I clean my face like multiple times throughout the day, so I like to keep something like that around. And last but not least, I needed a re-up. I love this NYX fat oil. This is the shade My Main. It's just like clear. I spent around maybe like 30 bucks today at Ulta. I did use some of my points, so I got some money off, but I didn't cash out too bad. I also got a fragrance tester for this Jimmy Choo that I've been wanting to try out. This Jimmy Choo perfume. Ended up really liking that, and I'm definitely gonna probably double back. So yeah, y'all, that about wraps up the Ulta haul. Despite the distractions and mishaps that have been going on this week, I had a lovely day today so far. What's up, miss? So I don't think I checked in with y'all today, but I did end up getting some flowers today. So I want to show you guys. Oh my gosh, my necklace. The flowers are literally like the cutest. I was just casually walking in Kroger. This man said, "You want some flowers?" I said yes. He said, "Well, let's go pick some." Went and picked them. He said, "I know exactly which ones that I would pick for you because I saw them as soon as I walked in the door." And I said, "Okay, well, let's go with those then." So I'm going to show y'all me putting those in their vase. I'm going to cut them up real cute. If you tuned into my last vlog, which if you didn't, you should, make sure you tap and go check that out. You saw that I got a new vase sent to me, and yeah, it's like, it's kind of different. It's different from the norm that people are used to with vases, but you stick around in this video and you'll see. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, so I'm excited to show y'all because they're so cute. I'll see y'all when I get home. I'm gonna check in. So I know I told y'all yesterday that I was gonna show y'all my roses. I ended up not getting to cutting them up and, you know, taking them out of their packaging yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today. If you were tuned in how you should have been to see me get this vase right here. These are one of my bouquets from Valentine's Day, so they're dead and gone. It's March now. Oh, happy March, if I didn't say that. Happy March to y'all. It's almost spring. I'm gonna trash these and then we're gonna go ahead, get it cleaned out, and put the new flowers in there. These are so beautiful though. Like, I still think these are so beautiful. What Drake say? "The city is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What colors the sea tower? It's red tonight. Like the text I sent you from the bed tonight. Colors the sea towers, little green." They put their foot in the album. Hit this link, get real quick. Yo, that's one. As y'all can see, this is where my roses were. This is how you open it. It like slides. I like that it didn't get like super dirty though. Okay, so as y'all can see, filled with water. Well, I ain't gonna say filled. This may be like halfway. I really want the light to hit them better for y'all. That light needs to hit them because, wow. Hey vlog, what's up? It's been a minute since I checked in with y'all. It is a Friday night. It doesn't feel like it though, but it's really late Friday night. Well, I'm not gonna say really late. It really depends on the type of person you are, if you think right now it's really late or not. But it's almost 9 p.m. and I am about to get ready for dinner. If things would have went according to my schedule and my plans, I would have been already at dinner now, but I really want to go like eat somewhere nice, get really dressed up tonight, and just really all throughout this weekend, because like these past 2 weeks have been something. Like, I've been working a lot of things have been going on. There have been challenges. Yes, there have been the challenges of life that come with adulting, being a business owner, the pros with the cons, right? So although there have been challenges, there have been so many milestones that I've been hitting, so many, you know, ways that I have passed certain challenges and just really expanded myself outside of my comfort zone and gotten new opportunities. I just recently worked with 2 Black-owned like women makeup lines, beauty lines. It's really an accomplishment for me to work with such successful beauty brands. Juvia's Place is one. They have like almost 3 million followers on Instagram. Fenty Beauty is freaking Fenty Beauty. Like, I've been able to partner, and I've just really like expanded in ways that I've been like nervous about, but also like happy about and excited about. And I've worked so hard for them, and they've just been full circle moments. So enough blabber. I just really want to, like, you know, do something nice, unwind, eat good. I feel like eating good is like a top priority. Like, if we're not eating good, what we doing? We gotta eat to survive. We might as well eat good. I initially wanted to go to Vinny's Kitchen. It's this really good Italian spot. They probably won't seat us by the time that we get there. It's almost 9 o'clock and they close at 10. So I just was like, they're probably not gonna seat us. So I came up with a plan B, and I was like, okay, we'll go to Privé, and it's Yo Gotti's restaurant, which is also in the city. They're like 10 minutes from each other maybe. So I was just like, you know what, they close at midnight. I was just like, baby, I just want a table and some food. But I've dined with them pretty late before. Serena took me there one year, a couple years back for my birthday, or I think that was my 22nd birthday. Yeah, she took me to Privé. I love Privé though. They're one of my favorite restaurants in the city. Yeah, I'll check in with y'all soon. We'll see where this night takes us. But skin looking pretty good. I did skincare already. I just really have to show y'all my outfit, put it on, take my hair out, run my fingers through it, and then we're out. In my closet now. Here is my outfit for today. Some of y'all might have seen this. Y'all might recognize this. I wore this as a tank top last time I wore it, but it's actually a dress. We wore a black dress, black H&M trench, and then I got these stuffed in the pockets. These are rhinestones. They'll like fill out more, make more sense to y'all, look cuter when they're on my body. And then let me show y'all my shoes. Hold on. It's a bit dark right now, but these are the pumps I'll be wearing. So adorable, right? This is what the outfit's giving. Can y'all see that? I literally switched out of this bag into this bag. These are my sunglasses on my top. As y'all can hear, there's music playing. So we gonna have to montage this out.
I want stuff right, gon' start it. I wanna play, get complete. If you're looking for full conversion, look down for that girl. I'm the one.
JP. It's the next day, but I didn't even show y'all the cheesecake they gave me. I literally took a bite out of it at like 2 a.m. and it was so good, y'all. And I just remembered it. It's my gold fork. Yeah. At this point, I didn't start in a new vlog and realized I didn't end this off right with y'all. So if you made it this far into the vlog, you are the GOAT, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe even share. Catch y'all in the next vlog.